Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Peak Refuel Chicken Pesto Pasta, so stay tuned.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Give me a spoon, please.
Okay, so the chicken pesto pasta is done. I am going to do the honors of trying it first. Let me mix it up a little bit. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Just from looking at it, looks fantastic. And let's take a taste. That's good.
I'm on the spoon.
So it has ziti noodles, creamy pesto sauce, and white chicken in it. So it's super hearty, almost a thickness of like an Alfredo, but it's pesto. But, ooh, we're gonna enjoy this. This is really good. You ready to try?
Let me get in on it. Let me get
I'll
in
feed
on
you.
the action.
That's good, right?
It's good. It's really rehydrated, only in 10 minutes, so that's pretty good.
Filling, hearty.
Yeah, that's good.
It's
Especially
not
after a day
it's
of-
not super strong on the pesto because it's creamy.
Especially after a day of backpacking or something, this would be delicious. So
Another bite?
Nice and rehydrated. Sure. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
And
that's really good.
I'm not a fan of Alfredo-ish stuff, but the pesto is delicious. So if you like this and you want to see more reviews on meals and equipment and such, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us so you can not miss out. But thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it, and have a happy New Year.